The second stage of the Super Monster Truck races will be held in our town very soon. The fire station and police station will show their power and speed once again. Our monster trucks are getting prepared for today's races. We will hold several trial runs around the city and even off-road, and it will be great for all of them, and for you. Fire Brigade and police monster trucks look so cool and really aggressive, but we need to make a few upgrades for the models. First, tuning. Let's go to the station together. We can prepare our police and fire trucks for the monster truck races there. The race will be held in our town today. Let's start with the police monster truck. First of all, let's replace the standard wheels on our police monster truck. We need them to be more brutal. I think these wheels fit for our race. Super! Also, let's put on a new bumper for maximum aggressiveness. We have several of them. Let's choose the most appropriate. I think the third option might be even better still. Awesome! Our first police monster truck is ready for the Super Monster Truck race. It's time to start preparing a second police car for the races. First, we will remove the wheels and choose the most aggressive and tough ones to replace them. So do these fit? Or maybe these? I think the first wheels suit it better. Super! And finally, let's pick a suitable bumper for the car. This one? Or that one? Or maybe this one? You're right! I think the first bumper fits best. So our second cop monster truck is ready for the race. Hooray! It's time to start preparing the first fire monster truck for the race. Let's replace the standard wheels with our fire monster truck wheels. I think these wheels fit for the race. Super! Also, to make sure that our monster truck is wicked cool, we install the new bumper. I think this bumper here does not really fit. This is much better. But then again, I think this option is even better than that. Great! The third bumper fits perfectly. We'll take it. Our first fire monster truck is ready for today's race. Finally, we get to start preparing the second fire monster truck for the race. First, we remove the wheels and choose the new huge ones. So do these fit? Or maybe these ones? I think the first ones are much better. And finally, let's pick up a suitable monster truck bumper. This bumper? Or do you like this one? Or how about this one? I think the second monster truck bumper fits the best. So our second fire monster truck is ready for the race. And now it's time to start. Ready, set, go! First, the police monster truck brakes forward. And now, the second monster truck brakes up ahead. It's unbelievable! But what's this? A second police monster truck rolls over and drops out of the race. Oh no! On the track, there are 3 contenders for a victory left. What a race! The first fire monster truck also leaves the race. Oh no, he's out too! And now the finish line. Unbelievable! The first police monster truck wins the race, and the crowd goes wild! Now, my dear friend, it is time to say goodbye. Come and visit me next time. Like this video with the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.